It's Brand Coach Angel here, and welcome back to the Brand Coach Angel YouTube channel. Today, I wanted to do a video to talk to you about one of the most important lessons I have learned in entrepreneurship. But before I hop into that, if you are a coach or consultant like myself that is interested in learning how to better manage your clients, all of the contracts, all of the projects and things that you have going on, I want to tell you about a software that I use in my business to help keep everything organized. It is called HoneyBook. So I'm not sure if you've tried it before, but I actually use HoneyBook to manage my clients, contracts, to send invoices. One of my favorite features HoneyBook has is to actually send reoccurring payments to people. So it'll automatically charge their account each month that they're working with me. I'm also able to send questionnaires, emails, and it's truly just a one-stop shop for most of my business operations as a coach. So I have found this software to be super helpful for me. If you are looking for something similar, I definitely encourage you to try it out. And I want to help you to do that. So if you want to go ahead and click the link below in my description box, I am going to give you the opportunity to try out HoneyBook for 6 months at the price of just $1 a month. So that means for 6 months, you get to try it out for $6 and see if it works. It's a win-win situation. So just check it out. Definitely come back over here, drop down in the comments, let me know what you think about the platform. If you are a HoneyBook user, definitely type below HoneyBook. I love to connect with other people who use the platform. So thanks so much, and I hope you have a great time trying out HoneyBook. One of the most important lessons that I have learned as an entrepreneur is this: hard work is not going to get you there. She said it. Yes, she did. Yes, I said that. She said it. Yes, she did. Yes, I said that. So often you hear people who are very successful that we admire saying, just work hard and it'll all work out. Just work hard and you'll get the results that you've wanted. And I'm going to tell you, there have been moments in my business where I have worked so hard and I have darn near burnt myself out and still didn't get the results that I wanted. Okay? So it takes so much more than hard work to be successful in business. What it really takes is the combination of energy, effort, right? So energy and effort, and intention and knowledge. When I first started out, an area that I was very weak and I'm still working to really strongly improve was sales. I had never done sales before directly in a job, and I really didn't recognize or appreciate how much sales is important to being able to be a successful entrepreneur. And so I really had to invest a lot of time and energy into learning that skill and learning how to talk to people and convert them into a customer. So that was an area of knowledge that I needed. So when I was able to couple the knowledge that I had, that I learned for sales, with my energy or my intention, right, which is to be successful, to bring more people on, to be clients, with my effort, then I was able to see results. So it's not just hard work alone that was going to get me there. I needed to be able to have the knowledge, and I needed to know how to use it and have a particular goal in mind that I wanted to reach. Right? I had to set the intention of what I wanted to happen. Those three things aligned is where I've seen action take place. Having just one of those things is not going to work, right? I have not seen that be successful for myself or for so many of the clients that I work with. It is the alignment of, again, your intention, your effort, and your knowledge that is going to help you to see results. So it's not just slaving away and working extremely hard. And if you're in that position where you feel like you're working so hard and you're working all these hours, but you're not just seeing results, you're not seeing the results that you want, it could be because you do not have a strong intention So you're working hard, but you're not working towards anything in particular. But there could also be a lack of knowledge. There could be an area of your business that you lack a certain amount of knowledge, so therefore you're not able to work effectively. And that is okay. Right? That is okay. Those are things that can be corrected. But it's important for us to recognize that just slaving away and just working isn't necessarily going to get us there, right? We need to have those other things in place, our intention and our knowledge on point to truly see results. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. I just wanted to hop on real quick and share that thought. Please let me know below. What do you think? Have you found yourself in your business working really hard, but not really having direction or proper knowledge how to work effectively and not seeing results? Have you been someone who's been able to really connect know-how with action and intention and see results happen in your business? Let me know. I want to hear about your experiences. Thank you so much for watching this channel. Stay tuned to more videos that I have coming up talking about entrepreneurship and work and life and fulfillment. And also, I'm probably going to link somewhere on this screen, somewhere above, a link to other videos that I have available for entrepreneurs to help you grow your businesses, especially those who are coaches and consultants. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Peace out.